Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's just take a look at the 2019 Toyota RAV4. This is an LE all-wheel drive model. And let's just take a look at the standard equipment and what the base trim level of this new model has to offer. Now we can always take a look at higher trim level models in the future, but let's just go ahead and capitalize on this opportunity to check out what we have for standard equipment. Now this one is in silver sky metallic with the black cloth. Check out our window sticker. As far as options go, clear paint protection, hood and door package, carbon mats and phone charger for a total of $28,991. And then gas mileage is going to be 27 in the city, 34 out on the highway, which is amazing if you think that this is a SUV of sorts. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Michelin tires. And these are going to be your 17-inch steel wheels with plastic hubcaps. Upgrading to an XLE will get you alloys. Coming around back, LE all-wheel drive badging. As you can see, that's those dual outlet chrome tip exhaust also. And then coming in, you have your switchblade key, so just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And this one only has 4 miles on it. So stick your key in the illuminated ignition. Twist to start. And so let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood, we have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4, producing 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going through an 8-speed automatic and all 4 wheels through Toyota's all-wheel drive system. You have a mode selector in the center console, as well as intelligent start-stop, very similar to the Highlander. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. And coming back in, as we said before, we do that black cloth interior on this model. 6-way manual driver's seat with your recline, height, as well as your sliding adjustment underneath the seat. Door panel, we do have our power windows, locks, mirrors, padding on your armrest, as well as some door storage down below. To the left of our steering wheel, we do have some storage, as well as our panel dim and auto high beams. And then coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. 4-way D-pad for our center LCD screen right there. You also do have your voice commands, Bluetooth. Audio controls are the lower half of both sides of the buttons. Over here we do have our cruise control, lane keep assist, dynamic radar cruise. Notable feature for the RAV4 is going to be TSSP. So you do have your auto high beams, dynamic radar cruise, lane keep assist, pedestrian detection, all of those features. Over on the left you have your LED headlights, as well as your tap to through blinks blinkers. Over on the right, you have your intermittent wipers with rear wiper controls. Dashboard's all nice stitched soft touch material. Then coming to your audio system, another notable standard feature is going to be Apple CarPlay. So you can connect your phone up and have that. Going to your sources, AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio. You also do have iHeartRadio, Slacker, NPR, and your auxiliary input. Presets, you do have all your presets right here. A total of 36 to be exact. So plenty of room for all your favorite stations. And going to your apps, of course, when you do download your Intune apps, you do have access to your Scout navigation, fuel, Yelp, the previously mentioned audio sources, as well as your weather, stocks, etc., etc. Down below that, hazards, you also do have your single zone manual climate control, fan speed, temperature, as well as your zones right here, front and rear defrost, AC recirc, and your max AC. Traction control off, as well as your start-stop system deactivation if you choose to turn that off. Down below here you do have your 12-volt outlet, as well as a USB and auxiliary audio input. This is going to be your shifter for that 8-speed automatic. Sport mode with manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right here. Power parking brake with your hold feature, as well as your drive mode selector, Eco, Normal, and Sport, with your snow mode, mud and sand, and rock and dirt for your all-wheel drive system. Cup holders, nice padded armrest, looking down in there, plenty of room. Glove box damped with your owner's manuals in there with a nice little technology shelf. Up top, manually dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor. Of course, with your sunglass storage, map lights, and your SOS Safety Connect. So that about wraps it up for the front seat of the LE. Let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Coming back here, as you can see, your black cloth does follow through. Front seat is set for my 5'9" driving frame and plenty of room down below as well. You also do have some storage right here as well as a 12-volt outlet below that. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. And then up top, dome light as well as your cornering handles with coat hooks. Nice view of the dash right there. It is completely redesigned over your 18 model. Door panel materials, you do have that nice padded armrest as well as your power window and door storage. Now coming to the rear, we'll check out our cargo area. Power hatch is available on the RAV. It is a little wet from running it through the wash. And then dropping your seats is easy in a 60/40 fashion. You also do have tie downs in all four corners to tie down larger items if you need to. Underneath your cargo floor, you do have that temporary spare tire and jack. Thankful that Toyota has kept that around for safety reasons. Closing is very easy with your grab handle. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota RAV4 LE. If you guys have any special requests for the new RAV4, definitely leave them down below in the comments. I'd love to spend more time with the vehicle and get you guys some more content. But thank you guys for watching. Feel free to check out Massey. All the information is in the description below. But I will see you in my next video.